Let's face it, the actual housing market isn't in the best state of affairs right now, so financial experts have begun to investigate the digital world, looking to benefit from underlying opportunities to make a profit from. And it turns out that the digital world has a lot to offer. In this video, you'll find out what digital real estate is, 7 ways you can profit from buying or creating digital property, and the advantages and disadvantages of each one of these processes. But first, let's start with the obvious. What is digital real estate? Digital real estate is any virtual property that can be bought, claimed, and exchanged on the web. Before the appearance of Web 3.0, websites, email addresses, portable applications, and web journals were viewed as advanced property. However, in today's world, metaverse, virtual land structures, urban communities, non-fungible tokens or NFTs, and advanced monetary standards are on the rundown too. Stages have made virtual universes with plots of land and properties that clients can purchase and live in carefully. Decentraland, the Sandbox, and Axie Infinity are the most well-liked of these. Aside from the land, they also give potential chances to join extraordinary occasions like gatherings, shows, and design shows, as well as go out to shop and spend time with companions. 7 ways to profit from digital real estate. Now, to be clear, there are countless ways to profit from this new type of real estate, including buying and selling virtual apartments and renting out digital shops, registering and hosting domain names, and providing advertising space to other businesses. We should study 7 explicit courses in more detail. Number 7. Advertising. Companies that own digital real estate can make money by selling advertising space and putting ads on their websites or other digital properties such as metaverse billboards. This incorporates putting any sort of promotion, standards, bring up video, or supported content on web-based stages that get huge traffic. Number 6. Internet business. Organizations can empower their clients to purchase labor and products straightforwardly through their computerized properties, sites, online commercial centers, or portable applications. Additionally, digital properties provide businesses with valuable information about consumer preferences and behavior, which can later be utilized to enhance product offerings and marketing strategies. Number 5. Subscriptions. As a means of generating additional revenue and providing value to their customers, subscription organizations can offer exclusive content or additional services in exchange for a recurring fee. At this point, when clients get administration's worth and feel that the membership merits the expense, they are additionally bound to stay faithful to the business. Number 4. Space name enrollment and facilitating. Organizations can offer space name enrollment and web facilitating administrations to different organizations or people. They'll be able to offer their clients a cost-effective and easy way to establish their online presence and generate recurring revenue in this manner. Trading premium space names can bring a benefit too. Number 3. Bringing real estate into the digital age. Companies can either create digital twins of their own properties or offer similar services to other real estate businesses. Advanced twins are virtual portrayals of actual resources. You can use a digital twin to take your customers on virtual tours once you've created one. This will provide them with the most complete picture of the property they're interested in and assist them in deciding whether or not to purchase it. Alternate approaches to going computerized incorporate putting your property in the metaverse or making your own metaverse stage. The most common way of moving land to the metaverse or by and large to the advanced world is very perplexing and may need the help of experts with aptitude in computerized media, innovation, and land. Number 2. Land tokenization. Land tokenization is the method involved with changing over responsibility for life resources into a computerized symbolic that can be exchanged on blockchain-based stages. The fact that tokenization makes fractional ownership of real estate assets possible makes real estate investment more affordable and accessible, which is the main advantage of tokenization. In addition, fractionalization increases real estate market liquidity. Tokenization can likewise increment straightforwardness and diminish the expenses related with customary land exchanges, which normally include numerous middle people. Number 1. Buying and selling NFT-backed real estate. Businesses can buy and sell NFT-backed real estate both inside and outside of the metaverse. This sort of NFT addresses one-of-a-kind, scanned computerized resources that are attached to genuine property. Buying, selling, and owning NFTs is decentralized because they're issued and stored on the blockchain, making them more transparent and secure. Organizations that purchase NFT land in the metaverse do as such in light of multiple factors. The worth of the property might ascend over the long haul and bring monetary advantages. Promotion and brand recognition are another major factor. To interact with their target audience in the digital world and promote their goods or services, brands and businesses purchase virtual property. It is vital to note that bringing in cash from digital real estate requires a huge speculation of time, exertion, and assets, and achievement isn't 100% guaranteed. Organizations ought to comprehend the dangers and limits related with any pay-creating movement and look for proficient guidance prior to money management. How much does digital real estate cost? The worth of digital real estate differs extraordinarily, relying upon its capacity to create income, draw in and connect with a web-based crowd, and lay out a brand presence on the web. Some domain names, for instance, are regarded as premium and are worth a lot of money because they have a large user base and get a lot of traffic. Think of websites such as hotels.com, which has a very common and recognizable name attached to it. Another example would be voice.com, which just recently, MicroStrategy offered this area to Block.one for $30 million. Under the same name, the latter launched its blockchain-powered social media platform using the voice.com domain name. In metaverses and games, digital plots of land, apartments, and advertising billboards are frequently sold as NFTs. These NFTs, like real-world property, have a variety of characteristics and factors that can significantly impact their value. These include location, distance from the city center, or whether a well-known celebrity has a digital apartment nearby. The Sandbox, an Ethereum-based virtual world, can flaunt a huge number of deals of their metaverse properties. Republic Realm paid Atari SA, a video game company, $4.3 million for the land in 2021. A plot of digital land in Decentraland was purchased for $2.43 million in cryptocurrency just 1 week prior to that transaction. Another fascinating case is an acquisition of a virtual property in an area close to Sneak Around Home Slice's computerized house. A NFT authority paid $450,000 to turn into the craftsman's virtual neighbor. As innovation and the web-based scene keep on advancing, the worth of computerized land is probably going to change and fill in new and unusual ways. What are the benefits and drawbacks of purchasing digital property? Look at this rundown of advantages and disadvantages to more readily comprehend what you can anticipate. So, what are the pros? High demand. Digital real estate assets like websites, domains, and blogs will continue to be highly sought after due to the increasing prevalence of the internet and online platforms in our lives. Concerning land in the metaverse, it is likewise extremely famous nowadays and keeps on drawing in financial backers. Potential for automated revenue. Numerous advanced land properties can produce additional pay through promoting, sponsorships, paid memberships, and other adaptation procedures. Openness. Digital real estate can be gotten from any place on the planet as long as you have a web association and can be bought from the solace of your own home. The process of purchasing NFT real estate from platforms based on the blockchain does not involve any third parties and can be completed quickly and easily. Low hindrances to section. Dissimilar to conventional land speculations, computerized land can frequently be gained and dealt with a moderately little beginning venture, making it open to more extensive scope of financial backers and the people who are simply beginning around here. Adaptability. Computerized land, in contrast to actual land, is never attached to a particular geographic area. So, organizations that choose to make or purchase computerized property have a lot more extensive scope of choices. Now, you might be thinking, what are the cons of digital real estate? I'm glad you asked. Absence of guideline. This is a normal, however in any case serious, drawback of numerous liabilities arising in the digital world. The fact that the digital real estate market is still in its infancy and is not yet subject to the same level of regulation as traditional real estate markets can make fraud more likely and cause issues with taxes. Absence with actual presence. Digital real estate suggests no unmistakable actual presence, which can make it hard for certain financial backers to comprehend and value its genuine worth, particularly with high regards to game universes and multiverses. High volatility. Digital real estate is not as stable as traditional real estate and is a highly volatile market. While websites and domain names can be fairly stable, it is difficult to predict the value of apartments and land in the metaverse over time. Requires technical expertise. Buying and managing digital real estate frequently necessitates a certain level of technical expertise, which not all investors possess. However, you can always consult with technical experts. Digital real estate offers a novel venture, a potential open door for those hoping to broaden their portfolio and exploit the development of the web and the metaverse. Be that as it may, likewise with any speculation, it requires cautious thought and a profound comprehension of the market. The only question we have now is, do you believe digital real estate is here to stay? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. In fact, we've put together a detailed guide on how to invest in digital real estate as a complete beginner. Just click the video on the screen now and we'll see you in the next one.